Welcome to Portugal, a surfer's paradise. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the surfing lifestyle and culture in this beautiful country. The day of a surfer in Portugal starts early. They wake up before dawn, check the swell forecast, and head to the beach to catch the best waves. Surfing is not just a sport, it's a way of life. Surfers in Portugal are friendly and welcoming, and they love to share their passion for the ocean and the waves. If you're new to surfing, it can be intimidating to choose the right equipment. But fear not, we've got you covered. Here are some tips and recommendations for beginner surfers. For beginners, I recommend a longboard or a foam board. They're more stable and easier to paddle, which makes it easier to catch waves. Remember, surfing takes practice and patience. Don't get discouraged if you fall off your board, it happens to everyone. Cut to a shot of the surfer wiping out and laughing. Voiceover. In Portugal, surfing is not just a sport, it's part of the culture. From the food to the music, everything in this country is influenced by the ocean and the waves. After a long day of surfing, there's nothing better than a good meal. Portugal is famous for its seafood dishes, so make sure to try some of the local specialties. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a live music performance on the beach. The surfing culture in Portugal is all about having fun, making friends and enjoying life. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video about the surfing life and culture in Portugal. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.